It's very simple. I like muscles, yeah. And when I was young and I didn't knew that the sport is there, bodybuilding, I like boxing, yeah, and because the boxer have a good physique, yeah, and are big and strong, and so I came to bodybuilding, and only from the reason that I like muscles and that I like to get big and to get strong. Oh, I think there are a lot of good bodybuilders, and Behavior is history. And I'm not arrogant, but in my mind is I can beat everybody. Yeah, I train to win, I eat to win, I sleep to win. I can't be so aggressive, so disciplined. Yeah, with in my mind, oh, perhaps I can come under the top 10. Yeah, I must have in my mind to win. So I will try to come in my best shape, and then we will see. My ultimate goal is to spend a lot of money with bodybuilding, that I can make my own life, that I can make my own business, and to be a very high-level professional bodybuilder.